Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Celebrity Cars and Coffee. This week, it's Social Media Tuesday, and I'm really super excited. I'm in my buddy Andrew's BMW. We're on our way to Italy service. What am I going to Italy service in a BMW for? Well, these days you can go to Italy service in a Chevy, Ford, Cadillac, doesn't matter what it is. They have this new revolutionary system to clean the undercarriage of your car, the engine compartment, all those years of grime, grease, some surface rust. They're going to blow it all off the bottom or off the engine compartment of the car, and you're going to be able to see how this works. It's a new service that they've got going on, and we're super excited about it, and we need to let all of you know. All right, now this is what I'm so excited about down here at Italy service. We got Andrew's 1988 BMW M5. It's a nice shiny car on the outside, but sometimes our engine compartments, our undercarriages get a little neglected because we spend so much time on the shiny paint. This is a beautiful car. It runs awesome, just like all of our vehicles. But look how dirty this engine compartment is. We're going to use this brand new revolutionary system from Italy service with a dry ice product that's going to blow all of this grime and grease and get in between the hoses. Wait till you see it, it's amazing. Okay, real quick, ladies and gentlemen, here's the cold jet dry ice system. Here's the dry ice pellets in here. It can be adjusted for larger surfaces or smaller, more delicate engine compartments and so on and so forth. This is the equipment, folks. This is the one that you need to get in order to make all your undercarriages and engine compartments look as best back to new as possible. Now you see what's going on there. It's not tearing up any hoses. It's not screwing up any of the electric. It's pulling grease and grime and bringing back the white paint. Now, don't get me wrong, it's going to take a little while to do, but that's the service that you're paying for, and look what happens. This could be thousands and thousands of dollars in an automobile restoration. Little patience in this system, it'll clean you right up. It's really awesome, I told you. Hey, folks, I mean, now look, obviously this is going to take some time, especially with engine compartments that have been neglected for the most part, okay? A lot of our engine compartments are undercarriages. We don't like to shine that stuff up. But if we go to sell it, if we go to take it to an auction, if we're selling it to our neighbor, or if we really want to make it a show car and take it to a car show and just spend some extra time on all this, look what happens. We're bringing back white paint underneath the years of discoloration. This head, the valve cover, I mean, this is just unbelievable. Folks, we finally got the BMW back. We got it back from Italy service and their dry ice treatment. It's unbelievable. I can't wait to let every Celebrity Cars and Coffee attendee know about this process that can clean that living bejesus out of your engine compartment and your undercarriage. Come with me. Now look, this car's old. There's a lot going on here, but you see the before and here's the after. The aluminum products, the metal products, the hoses, the electrical cables, the plastic, even the battery, the fan housing, all this stuff, and the cosmoline being removed from the fender wells. You can see this all used to be yellow on both sides. Just all this yellow crap. They didn't have time to do all of it, folks. We're trying to do an example here of what they could do to your engine. So, but you understand how effective this application is. So this is what we wanted to try and push and tell you folks. This is undercarriage and engine compartment. They have this contraption down at Italy service. It's located right near the Orleans Hotel and Casino. Give them a call. Their phone number's hopefully at the bottom of the screen. Give Italy service a call. His name is Brian. You can talk to anybody else there, and they'd be happy to give you a quote on an engine compartment or the undercarriage or both. And boy, this is just increase the value of your automobile to sell it, increase the value of your automobile to take it to a car show. This does it all. If you need this kind of treatment, knocks off some rust off the surface. It's just an awesome process that you got to look into. We'll see you next time at Celebrity Cars and Coffee. Call Italy service now.